What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will. We back at it with another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, finna head over to Victorville, man. To all my local California people, hey, y'all know where the hell Victorville at, man. Hear me? So, yeah, finna drive a smooth hour and 15 minutes over to Victorville, right? Finna do the first mod to the Hellcat, man. I would say a mod, but, you know, kind of like cosmetic, you hear me? Yeah, finna get this window tint, y'all. I'm definitely thinking 5% all around. Shit, what's the point of getting tint if you're not gonna get that bit fully tinted? You hear me? I'm not talking about limo. Nah, I'm not talking about that. But I'm just saying, y'all, hey, I'm not going to go get tint to get 35. I'm not getting 15. I'm not getting 50, whatever, man. 5% me, man. Hey, nah, but hey, yeah, man, shit, we finna head over there. I got my daughter in the back, man. Shit, you know, we just kicking it, bruh. Kicking it, man, you know. Yeah, hey, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. I appreciate y'all for staying patient. Appreciate y'all for, man, rocking with me, bro, through hard times, thick and thin. Yeah, all that, bro. Appreciate y'all, CEEFAM. Man, look at the guts, bro. Look at the guts, man. What we doing, bro? What we talking about, man? But yeah, hey, like I said, I holla at y'all, man, whenever we get there. Yes, sir. So something that's so weird, y'all, like, from me to like the nearest city is at least 35 to 40 minutes, y'all. At least 35 to 40 minutes. You hear me? So, man, I definitely hope y'all appreciate, man. Look, me taking time, bro, to make these videos, you hear me? Traveling, like I said, an hour and 15 minutes. We currently got an hour left right now, you know? But, yeah, man, shit. Nearest city, y'all, is about 35 minutes, and that's Barstow, you know? For those of y'all that don't know, like, if you in LA, you got to go through Barstow in order to get to Vegas. So currently I'm like, shit, 2.5 hours away from Vegas one way, and then the other way I'm 2.5 hours away from LA. So it's kind of like the perfect medium, you know what I mean? But yeah, if I want to go anywhere, y'all, do any kind of mods, any kind of thing to my car, I gotta drive at least 40 minutes, bro, every time. You hear me? Yeah, shit, we only got what, 5,900 miles on the car, you know, so car's fairly new. Still got that brand new car smell, you heard me? All that good stuff, man. So, but yeah, man, like, I definitely noticed a difference, like, from my red eye to this car. Like, the whine, like, you kind of gotta, like, get on it for real a little bit just to hear the whine. In my red eye, I don't care if I'm in that black key mode or scat pack mode, whatever y'all want to call it, or if I got the red key, bro, you hearing that thing, like, immediately, bro, that whine. But let me see, I got my wife up there in the front, you know, she ride with me. But if I hit this bit, let me see, put that down SRT boy twice. Let's see, big 717. I already set it up to how I want it. I didn't put everything on track because like it is all like stiff. The steering is stiff, everything. But if I just, let me show y'all boys, little light downshift, you heard me? You can kind of hear the whine, but not really. You know, I'm in 5th gear right now, 4th gear right now. I don't want to do too much because, you know, I got my daughter in the back, man. Safety first. Y'all see the car seat, man. Y'all see the little diaper bag, my bad. Let me just see if y'all can hear something. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but that's what I'm saying. And like I said, I don't know if the previous owner, y'all, I don't know if Buddy had, like, goddamn, man, look at that view, y'all. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I don't know if Buddy had a muffler delete on this thing or not, because it was a lease, you know. But yeah, 10-month lease, Buddy had it. So I don't know what all he did to it, but yeah, smell good, pretty much stock, sound good. I definitely want to get that whine louder, bro. But yeah, I don't know. But yeah, man, she boy C-Will, bro. I just want to talk to y'all right quick, man, while I'm on the way, you know. Let me see, it's 4th gear right now. Let me see something. If I get a little pull right quick. Oh yeah, that was decent right there on me. That was decent, yeah. So just, I definitely hope that y'all got to hear something, you know what I mean? I don't want to put the windows down and all that, man, make my daughter upset. But yeah, bro, this bit, it's straight though, man. Like, I definitely felt like I didn't need that red eye power, man. I was never gonna use it, you know? I was never gonna use it, but Hellcat power, yeah, that's it right there, bro. So, hey, man, I'm gonna stop messing around, CEEFAM. I'll holler at y'all whenever we actually get to the tint shop, man. I'm gonna give y'all overview. I'm gonna give y'all an overview of the car, you know, how it looked before the tint, and then after the tint, man, show y'all boys what we got. Let me put this bit back on auto mode, man. Hell no, y'all trying to get me to run out of gas. There we go. Good green thing, eco. That's how you get that good miles per gallon, bro. Hey, I'll holler at y'all whenever we get back to the tint shop, man. All right, CEEFAM, hey, we just now got to the shop, man. Car made it here in one piece. Thank God. Shit, y'all, it is windy as hell in Victorville. You hear me? Windy in Victorville. I hope y'all can hear me. My little mic got the little wind protecting thingy on it. But yeah, man, so I guess the car, it already have tint on the back. I don't know what shade it is. I have to talk to my guy Scott. And I got tint already right here. But I'm really just concerned about the two, I guess, windows on the side. The front, I'm gonna just get a little strip on the front. I'm not tripping. And then yeah, on these two sides, yeah, these 4 windows, right, only have like, I guess, fishbone. And then this is already tinted, and the back is already tinted. So yeah, it might be cheaper than I expected, to be honest. I don't know how much he gonna charge me to like take all the tint off and just, you know, put everything 5%. I'm not sure, y'all, but yeah, man, this thing look good already though. But yeah, finally made it. We at Evoke Off-Road. I don't know if y'all can tell, y'all can see that. Evoke Off-Road. His shop is like inside of there. So yeah, I'm finna go talk to my guy Scott and see what price we can come up with. Shit, I ain't drive over here for no reason, but yeah, y'all, it's windy. Like I said, we in Victorville, man. Shit, can't believe, bro, like I live in California, bro. It's crazy, man. So yeah, let's get right, man. Let's get to it. Man, just made it inside. Hey, this thing it look cool in here though. Damn, this is hard. It's nice. What up, what up, what up? This thing clean right here, y'all. Nice little shop. Okay, so I'm still trying to network, y'all. I'm still trying to figure out, man, what shops I can go to do mods. Like I said, I'm all the way in Barstow, y'all, near Barstow. So yeah, oh, that's a wolf, boy. Nah, I'm just playing. What up, boss? Chilling. Yeah, man, straight though. But yeah, man, it's cold out here, man. But yeah, so I'll give you the keys. Like I said, Scott, like, oh snap, whoa, 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 whoa. You guys gonna wait for taking off? Probably just gonna take off, man, with the wife, brother. Might go run some errands and all that good stuff, right? So. No problem. Oh, really? Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Okay. Okay. Just go over it. We'll just act like there was never any tint on it. 100%. Okay. Yeah, man. You wanted to do 5% all the way around? Essentially, yes. That was my whole prerogative, just to go 5 all the way around, brother, okay, if we could. So. I'm gonna put 5%. Okay. On the roll-up windows. Okay. Front and back. Yep. I'm gonna put 20 over the 20 that's there. Okay. So that would equal like a 5. Okay. 20. Okay, that's fine. That'll work. That'll work, brother. All right, CEEFAM. So look, man, just got the car back, yo. Man, I must say, this bit is dark. So the back windshield, it had 20% already on there, right? The back windshield and those 2 little, I don't know what to call them. So on the Chargers, man, they have like 4 windows, and then you got like your 2 extra back windows, the 2 little small ones. The 2 little small ones had 20% on it as well. But yeah, he just basically went over it with 20%. So I guess whenever you go over wrap, or whenever you go over a window tint that's already tinted, it make it darker. So yeah, he just went over the 20% with another 20%, you heard me? And then yeah, made it close. He says it'll be super similar to 5%. I said, okay, bet, my boy. Do what you do, Scott. Hey, but yeah, look, this bit, man, it looked good. You know what I mean? I definitely noticed a difference, bro. Like less heat in the car, you know? Protect my interior, protect my seats from wearing off and all that, right? So yeah, I'm definitely driving and vlogging at the same time. I wouldn't advise it, right? But yeah, man, let me just show y'all, I guess, from the, what is it, cockpit view? Yeah, let me just show y'all how it looked, man. So all right, y'all, so as y'all can see, man, we got the tint, we got the little window strip up here, the little visor strip, you know. Yeah, this bit look good though, man. My guy Scott, he was like, yeah, bro, shit, you just gonna have to let it bake out in the sun. He said shit, tomorrow's supposed to have like some snow or something like that by Victorville. I don't know, but should be good by the Barstow area, man. But yeah, like I said, y'all, like I didn't get a chance to show y'all how the car looked from the outside yet, because it looked like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it looked like it's about to get, man, about to rain out here and all that. Like I said, it's literally 5:36 right now. So yeah, I may not get to show y'all how this bit look today out in the sun, but hopefully tomorrow, man, I'm gonna definitely show y'all boys how it look. But yeah, man, it feel darker in here. It's definitely look nice, bro. Like the contrast from the gray, from the green to the black windows look crazy, man. And I also had to put my little Instagram and all that shit up there too. Hold on, let me show y'all boys. I had to put the Instagram and all that up too. So yeah, man, your boy boy C Will, bro. I'm gonna try to show y'all whenever I get home. If not, I'm gonna definitely show y'all how the car look outside tomorrow. And yeah, man, just go from there, y'all. Shit, let's get to it. All right, and just like that, CEEFAM, here is how the car look, man. So initially, y'all, I really wanted to do the front windshield, but buddy was like, man, look, it'll be an extra $175 if we did the front windshield, y'all. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do this one just like how I did my other Hellcat, man, and I'm gonna just do my little front strip, right? So as y'all can see, man, got the little front strip right here, bro, 5%, you know. So that's not too bad, bro. Like, I think that the green and black definitely play well off each other, you hear me? So did that, you know. And then yeah, coming on the sides, y'all, we got smooth 5%, man. Had to do that 5. You can't see nothing in that bit, nothing inside, nothing outside, man. But yeah, it looked nice, bro, for sure. Like, I definitely messed with it, bro, you know. Like I said, 5% all around, man. It is dusty out here, y'all. Like, it just look dusty. Look at that, look at the neighborhood, dog. Dusty, man, you know. So yeah, also, man, shout out to my guy Scott, bro. He put these on for me, man. So yeah, if anybody shit trying to follow the boy, follow me, man. You heard me? Y'all show me love, I'll show y'all love back. Promise y'all, man. So yeah, 5% all the way around. Initially, like I said, this back window, it had 20% already on there. So this had 20%, and also these little windows right here had 20%. So what he did, he ended up wrapping the windows with an additional 20%. So I guess when you put 20 on top of 20, it gives off the illusion that it's 5%. You know, that's the closest thing I was gonna get. So yeah, man, ended up doing that, y'all. But yeah, this thing look good, bro. I don't really care. Like, I don't know why the hell people be covering a license plate. I don't understand. What, can you duplicate the license plate? Somebody comment down below, like, what that mean. I don't care if I show my license plate or not. Like, I'm on a military installation. I don't think nothing gonna happen. Like, I'm just saying. You know. But yeah, y'all, hey, this thing came out great, man. Ended up paying what, $280 after everything, you know. So that's what, 2 windows, 4 windows, 6 little windows, and then the 7th window right here. So 2, 4, 6, 7, and I guess 7 1/4, you know, if you count this big ass strip right here. So I think he charged me like 45 or 50 for the strip, which is cool. You heard me? I ain't even tripping. So yeah, man, like, this thing look beautiful, y'all. Like I said, it's definitely an upgrade from my last one. I hope y'all can hear me because it's super windy out here right now. So yeah, it's an upgrade from my last one. Even though this one right here, the power is different, you know, the whine is different, but just got to get used to it. And yeah, it's dark inside too, y'all. Look at that, man. Beautiful inside, y'all. You know, so you look at it from this to this, crazy. This to this, it's crazy as hell, man. So yeah, y'all, inside is dark as hell. You know, 5% light, 5% light. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm a big person, bro. And like 5% tint, bro. I'm not going to your tint shop and only getting 30%. What? Might as well keep my damn bread after that, you know. But yeah, man, hey, I appreciate y'all boys for staying locked in with me, bro. Comment down below, man, what y'all want to see done to the car, bro. Like, I feel like I've done everything I could do, but at least to my last Hellcat, you know. I don't want it to be another version of, you know, I don't want it all to be the same mods, you know what I mean? People say Hellcat content is played out. I agree to an extent, but I still think this is like the most monumental car on the earth, whether it's rappers that made it popular, whether it's, man, in movies, like, you know what I'm saying? If you got a Hellcat, bro, it's like, okay, yeah, you really like that. You really want them ones. Whether it's a narrow body or a wide body, it don't matter, bro. If you got one, bro, hey, kudos to you, man. Even if you don't have one yet, bro, keep working, keep grinding, keep, you know what I mean? This car is not end all be all, man. For a lot of people, this y'all dream car. You know, this is only for motivational purposes, bro. I don't flex on y'all. I don't, man, I'm just like y'all. Just like y'all, bro. You know what I mean? We all got the same 24 hours. It's just up to you, like, how are you gonna maximize your 24 hours, right? I mean, maximize mine a little bit differently than you, and that's okay, you know. But hey, keep working, keep grinding, keep hustling, man. It's your boy C Will. Like I said, comment down below, man, what y'all want to see me do to it. You know, I definitely want to change these right here out to the black ones, you know. Definitely want to change those. These badges, right? So these are like the blackout badges. I don't know, I want to change them to like red or something. See, blackout badge. And that's a package, you know. So my next video probably just gonna be, hey, like a full review of my car and everything like that, bro. But yeah, all this red and stuff, I want to get rid of that. I usually do my own taillight tint, you know, so I'm gonna definitely do taillight tint for sure. Yeah, these blackout badges, I don't like them. Really want to do red badges for sure. And then yeah, my carving exhaust tips, definitely rear diffusers. Like I said, comment down below, man, exactly what y'all want to see, and I would definitely bring that to y'all, man. So hey, appreciate y'all boys for stopping in. Y'all my CEEFAM, you heard me, checking out with another light slight video. Yeah, I'll holla at y'all boys next time, man.